Firefighters got their hoses out this weekend to tackle the dirt on people's cars. Crews from the Tiverton station were called out to rescue dozens of vehicles from being grubby to help raise funds for the Firefighters charity, which helps thousands of men, women and children in the fire and rescue community.
It will go to the Firefighters charity and they'll use it. They've got a place called Harkham House down at Chudley, which is like a rehabilitation centre. So if any of our firefighters get injured, to help them get back to work quicker, they go down there. They use like hydrotherapy and all that sort of thing, really help them get back to work.
And so how busy has it been today? And how much?
It's been really busy, yeah. This morning was really busy. At last count we cleared £300, we're over £300, so hopefully we'll have a nice amount by the end of the day.
How many members of the crew have got here today?
We've had pretty much everyone here today. Throughout the day they're sort of doing shifts. Some of us here all day, some guys come straight from work, some just work a night shift and come straight to wash cars rather than going home to sleep.
The 7-hour car wash managed to raise a grand total of £556. Lewis Clark for Lewis News at Blundell's Road.